welcome to Hooked on Utah. Today we've got an incredible adventure for you. I've got a great team of friends from Bucked Up and X Insurance. We're down here at Hatts Ranch and we're going bird hunting. It's gonna be epic. So sit back, relax, and enjoy tonight's really cool birdie adventure. All right, so our plan, we're gonna work these fields. We're gonna kind of go north and south, and then we'll start working back. The cover down here at Hatts Ranch is just incredible. Because of last winter and this spring, it's the best cover they've had in about 40 years. So if you want a truly wild hunt, this is where you where you go. So come on with us, let's go check it out. I don't know, who was that? Parker, was that you? Somebody missed, that's your free ones, fellas. Oh my gosh, you see the size of that bird? Big old melanistic, purple, blue, black bird, tail feathers 30 inches long. It's so awesome. Hatts Ranch has just gorgeous birds. And what a lot of people don't know is the hatchery over here in Green River supplies birds to most of the western United States. Look at this bird, let's check it out. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, I don't know, Parker's name's on that. I think Parker got that. That's gorgeous, look at that. Look at that.
Sun hits it, you get all those beautiful colors in there.
Stunning, attaboy. That's what I'm talking about right there. Boom. All right, we're gonna load Jed up to the point where he can't carry anything. I love it. Oh, nice shooting.
Look at those feathers.
Whoo. Nice shooting.
Nice. Tell me about that one.
Yeah, it was right in front of me. I didn't even see it, but it was probably 4 feet in front of me. So it just popped up right in front of me and I
Had to take him out.
had to take him down. Yep.
Oh yeah, it's coming this way, trying to move. Get ready. She's running, big rooster. Oh, nice shot! Woo!
Nice shot.
Very nice.
Is that you, Rick?
Nice.
Right here.
That's nice. Attaboy. Hey, that's a nice,
nice shot.
swing, pivot, and a shot on the move. I like that. Very nice. So Parker, you swing and pivot. I'll swing and pivot. Hooked on Utah is proudly presented by Sportsman's Warehouse, America's premier outfitter, Mountain America Credit Union, guiding you forward on your financial journey. Tim Daly Ford in Spanish Fork, Utah, family owned since 1968. Bucked Up, fueling your outdoor adventures. Lifetime, bringing families together. X Insurance, custom insurance solutions for your business, your family, your life.
Preparation starts long before the hunt begins. Tracking your target tests your mind, body, and spirit. For more endurance, focus, and energy, get bucked up.
you build a truck tough enough to pull this much forward, you better make sure it's smart enough to back it all up.
They say the same way you're fine girl, what a good.
Tim Daly Ford in Spanish Fork, Utah is Utah's #1 F-150 and Super Duty dealer. Hey, I'm here with my good buddy Ryan Gardner. Now, you guys may know he is the CEO and founder of one of my favorite companies, BuckedUp. I love your stuff. Let's talk about your company. What sets you apart from everybody else on the market?
Well, we are the #1 selling pre-workout on the market. We're sold in GNC, Vitamin Shop, and even Walmart. We produce products that have great ingredients, but not only that, they taste really great.
Hey, if you haven't tried BuckedUp, go to BuckedUp.com, order your product, go to one of those local retailers, or stop into their shop right there in Provo, Utah. You'll absolutely love it. I use these every single day. My boys use them in their athletics. You're gonna love BuckedUp.
Get bucked up.
Boom. Well, you knocked it, you slowed it down. Thank you, Parker. Nice. Oh. Oh, nice shot! Yeah, whoo! Who was that? You see Roy right here blocking? See? Nice! Oh, there! Let her rip!
Old Roy's hitting the mud.
Oh, point right here.
There goes.
There you go. Oh! Woo! Nice. Very nice shot. Up on the berm. Nice shot, Rick. Good shot. I wasn't ready for that. Oh, we got birds going everywhere. Nice shot, you two.
Heads up. That's you, Keith.
Man, I
I was just nervous. I was just nervous pulling the trigger like that.
Good shot, Parker. I gave it the anchor shot, but that was you. Let's move up. I bet you've got a bunch right up in here. Get ready, they're gonna go. Oh, nice shot. Yep, dog's got it. Hey, good shot, Parker.
Thank you. Oh, I saw the bird kind of heard it in the bushes. I thought that it might have been a dog, but when the bird popped out, it's good fun.
Oh, yep, to the right. Hey! Nice shot. I think that was Rick. Was that Rick? That's awesome, dude. That's a long shot. That's why I always say, swing out in front of the bird, get a good lead with the bead, and you will drop the bird. A lot of people think, oh, it's too far, but that's a great shot right there. And it's a tough one because it's a passing shot. Absolutely awesome, man. Oh, there it is. Take a shot. Ho, 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 ho. Let her rip. Oh, I think you could have. Hey, I'm here with Rick Lindsay. Rick is the founder and owner of X Insurance. Now, my viewers have heard me many times talk about it, but I would love for you to tell them, X Insurance, what's the difference from other insurance companies?
I mean, I think that I'm an insurance consumer first. So I don't like the insurance, I call it fake insurance, where they exclude what you need: flood, wind, salt and battery. And we're making lawyers rich. So my hashtag is bench the lawyers, which means if I insure you, we're going to do it right. And we're going to have a plan for when what can happen does happen, we fix it, right? We move into action. Most insurance companies are trying to avoid the risk. And if you have a claim, they cancel you. If I write you and you have a claim, I want to keep writing you for the next 20 years. But everybody says, oh, you're more money. And I'm like, yeah, because I do it right. I can't compete with a stupid company like the Florida homeowners companies that all went bankrupt. So, you know, you can buy cheap insurance if you're never going to have a claim. But if you're going to have a claim, you need X Insurance.
Absolutely. Check them out, XINSURANCE.com. Give them a call. They will do it right. And what I like to say is they're not going to give you a quote. They're going to put together the right insurance for you, and then they're going to stand behind you when you need it.
Oh, you got a point.
Getting birdie, be ready. Be ready. Yeah, let's stay up a little high just in case we get another. Yep. Oh, good shot.
Hang on, might be another. Definitely another.
Oh, birdie, locked up. Move up, he's locked up right there on the bank.
Yep, right here, I can see him.
There's another one, there's gonna be more than one.
Yeah, I can hear one moving. Nope. I heard another moving right here. Oh.
That one's been hurt. All right, there'll be another one. Right in the ditch bank.
All the gear used on this week's adventure can be found at your local Sportsman's Warehouse or online at sportsmanswarehouse.com.
All right, so let me just talk about the gun that I'm using today. I'm using this Benelli Ethos, and I really love it for a couple of reasons. It's a 20 gauge, it's super light, and I love the fact that when you're packing it around all day long, you just don't notice that you're packing the gun. It's a light gun, fast shooting gun too. I mean, as fast as you can shoot, pop, 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 pop. I mean, it really, really is a great shooting gun. You can find this at Sportsman's Warehouse. They've got great prices on them, and this is a great choice, especially for young kids or your wife. It's another light gun that you can use all day long. And then, you know, out here in this type of conditions, I'm shooting 6-shot high brass with a heavy load because these birds fly just like wild birds, so you gotta have a hard-hitting shot to knock them down. So check it out. You can find everything we're using today, Sportsman's Warehouse. Get in, get geared up, and get in the outdoors.
Call it a path or a way through. It can be arrow straight or have twists and turns. It's life's financial journey, and Mountain America Credit Union is here to guide you every step of the way. With timely advice and affordable products, this is your journey. Let's begin together. We're Mountain America, guiding you forward.
SureCan, the leader in fuel dispensing tanks, is proud to announce the release of its innovative utility can. The SureCan Utility Can is the most versatile liquid dispensing container on the market. Whether it's a picnic in the park, camping in the backcountry, or riding in the mountains, you'll find a wide variety of uses for your SureCan Utility Can. Available in 2+ and 5-gallon cans, be sure to get yours at SureCanUSA.com.
Welcome to Wendy's. What would you like with your hot and crispy fries?
Introducing Wendy's new fries. Guaranteed hot and crispy, or we'll replace them. They're even preferred almost 2-to-1 over McDonald's. Get to Wendy's and try our new hot and crispy fries for yourself.
Oh! Woo! Good shooting, Gary. I gotta toot my own horn. Oh! That bird was hit 3 times. Oh, that's a great shot. That is a great shot. That is a great, look at that, it's snow and feathers, baby. Oh, I love it. Dude, that is a great shot right there. Birds down here at Hats Ranch are just incredible. And I'll tell you what, the team from X Insurance and Bucked Up, they're just rocking it. We got birds right here. Oh! Yes! Who was that? Keith again with the 870 Wingmaster, or the Express. Dude, he's like dialed in today. Holy cow. Boom, boom, boom. That's what I always say. Hey, if you don't take the long shot, you don't make the long shot. And that was out there. He was stretching it. That is awesome. Beautiful ring neck right down here at Hats Ranch. Unbelievable. You need to come down here and give it a go. Best cover they've had in over 40 years. The birds are freaking awesome.
Nice.
That's a shot right there, Rick. Woo! Dude, slaying it. That's a great shot. There it is. Oh, beautiful shot. That was Rick again. Rick is like money, man. He's getting all these tough passing shots and he's just hammering them. The cover here is so incredible and so tall that those passing shots are difficult because you're just catching a glimpse of the bird and he's just pounding them. It's been so much fun today. Started off this morning down in town, pouring rain in Utah County, just downpour. And then we drove up, they flew their helicopters. Once we got here, it was gorgeous. Now it's got downright hot, which is crazy, and we're in November, so, so cool. Come down here. Oh!
So bad.
How did that guy get away?
Dude, he got up and he's still moving, but I dumped that guy. Oh, there goes another one. Oh my God, let's see them popped up and run.